What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing an ultimate drop test of this perfectly functional iPhone. And also what we've got here is a legendary indestructible Nokia 3310 that's also fully functional, and I'd say it's in pretty good condition too. Wow, check out this height guys. We're standing here on the 10th floor. Alright guys, let's start. What do you think? Can we actually destroy it? Okay, here goes. 3, 2, 1. Oof. Now let's go and see what happened to it. Okay guys, I think I finally found it. It's on the 3rd floor. I actually had to run all the way down there to get the battery. Let's see what's left of it. Let's put the battery back in and see if it works. Oh, look at this, guys. The screen is cracked, it's got some damage on it, but, well, it still works. It's making sounds and the lights work. Probably if you replace the screen, you can still use it. Wow, that's incredible. I think it proves that this is the most indestructible phone in the world. Alright guys, so let's do this. Here's an iPhone. As you can see, it's fully functional. Let's just hit the record button so we can hopefully we can get the footage from it later. Okay. Alright guys. Here goes. 3, 2, 1. Oof. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I think I found it. And like the Nokia, it fell all the way down. Look at that. It looks like it's still working. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. It's got some damage, but look at this. The camera works. The screen has some damage, but look at that. Let's try to pop it back. Wow. Doesn't look so bad actually. So what do you guys think? Should I drop it again? So So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you in next videos.